Albert, voice, tech. Okay, so I've been working on this problem and I finally got it solved. Okay, so I'm going to show you. You already know what the Gateway laptop looks like. So you know, there's several different videos on it. I got it all hooked up. I got it on AC 1200. That's the adapter I got for it. I'm also running. Well, I mean, I could run it on the faster adapter, which maybe I should. That would give me. I think it's about. I think no, it's about the same. Even AC 1350 would be about the same speed. It wouldn't be no difference. Yeah. Okay. Well, okay. What I'm trying to say, I got the 4K to work, full screen, 2.8, 2.80 gigahertz using quick CPU. Because without it, it would never work. I have mini HDMI to full HDMI. I tested it out. It works. I'm not gonna post it and we go watch it and it doesn't work. But I'm gonna show you it works. And the little tricky was Microsoft still has the close the lid feature. You close the lid, the monitor shuts off. You still have to go on the control panel to untoggle that. Wouldn't it make sense to be in the general purpose for display settings under the battery settings? Shouldn't that be there? Why are we still using two different apps? That's why I'm saying that the Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 7, all the way down to when they first changed everything. I think it was 95 when we got this new kind of interface. They haven't really got rid of the old apps. They're still in there. They need to gut it and do it properly instead of just, okay, we'll just make believe it's there, you know. But you still need to go back like the device manager. Would it make sense if the device manager was more integrated, or just get rid of it completely? But they can't. I don't think they can do it. They don't have to do it, write the whole thing code from scratch. Well, anyway, besides all of that, it's working. So I want to show you. So we're gonna switch to it. Here we go. I know it's late, but well, the Chrome OS works perfectly. I originally got this laptop to go portable and retired the other laptop, which is getting old. But the older laptop is really still powerful. It just, you know, it doesn't have 4K. And what for? I would like to have two Chromebooks, but unfortunately at the time it didn't happen. So we took the Gateway. So the Gateway is now running Windows 11, the latest edition for Microsoft. The preview version popped up again, and they're trying to get the kinks out. But anyway, let's go. That's enough talking. Let's get on with the show. Okay, as you can see, so we're operating everything from the Logitech keyboard. Same keyboard, see? Well, not the same one, it's a different one. So we have the Gateway there. Oh, did I make sure you guys can see the Gateway? Yeah, you see the antenna. That's... Okay, that's it. All right. I should do a dark screen. Hey Google, turn off all the lights.
Got it. Turning 15 lights off. Sorry, it looks like Studio 2 isn't available right now.
Well, it doesn't matter. The only thing I don't like the way Team launches all the time. Microsoft Team, the replacement for Skype, and also Skype launches. What happened here? Oh boy. I have to make some adjustments. Oh, this is those of you who are not familiar with Wise 365 Pro. I use that to keep the machine. Well, I'm not plugging them on this. I did help them with earlier versions. Well, otherwise, you wouldn't have what you have today. Oh, the other program was JetClean. I don't think JetClean is sponsored anymore with anybody, so. And I wouldn't recommend it. It messes up the what's it called? The MC cache. It can screw up your machine. You don't want to mess around with that. Oh, forget this right now. I don't know. Oh, let's close that. It's getting a little annoying. Okay, so let me show you what I've done. Let me close Wise out. I still have a little. Oh, I know what needs to be done. Oh boy, everything. Is it personalized or display? Let me see if it's under personalization. Is it the theme? Oh, great. Yeah, that's what I wanted. That's pretty big. 300% resolution. Recommended. How about 250? Well, we know now that see, this is the maximum resolution for 4K, 3840 by 2160. That's what it's the same processor, same setup in the Acer, in the Chrome OS. The other video that I showed, same max setting for 4K. All right. I'll go back to well, I don't have any 4K on the, well, maybe I do, I don't know. Oh, sweat. Why is it like that? It's too big. Too big. I don't like it. It's big. Back to. So this is the Gateway from Walmart. This is the touchscreen, the 2-in-1, the 11.6. Okay, you know. Got it running at 2. Well, for those of you just popping in, well, I've 300. I recommend. What? Back up. playing with those settings. I just want to change this. 250 is good enough. It's too gigantic. All right. So, like I said, the 4 fans blowing at 1200 RPM. I already go through the channel I have. See, with Chrome OS, you can't switch. Like you see me pull down here and you can go to different channels. That was what the problem was with the, yesterday with the mobile. All this would disappear. What do I got here? Let me go to Code Channel, because the Code Channel, the videos on the Code Channel, they're a little different than the music channel. And I can get away with playing them. Let me close this out. We don't really need that open. There's nothing there to play with. Running off Wi-Fi. Or this is a work in progress with this thing here. Come on, go blow up. Why is this like this? Oh, buttons are not responding. Let me see something here. That's strange. There's no audio there. Huh. Sometimes the problem. Oops. Is 2160 4K. Let's see, it should work. to be with adjustments and everything on the screen when you reboot it. Well, that's 4K as well. Now I can go, well, I can't really say what I'm going to do, but let's say we have other options to watch media. I'll say that much. Because I had to stop watching media for a while. Alright, so I just want to show you how this works. So it works perfectly. Can't really show you. I got no full-length movies or anything in 4K. Well, I mean, what I forget what I got. Well, this channel is kind of, it's not technological. It's a dating coaching channel. So, you know I do have some stuff that was done in 4K. I don't want to get... Back again. Alright. I think I have some girls dancing in 4K. I mean, I can show you that because there's no copyright on that. You know, as long as it's my music, which it is. But I don't know which one is 4K. It should say... Oh, boy. You know, this is not 4K. And some stuff was done in 4K and some stuff wasn't done in 4K. And I don't have to go through the whole thing to figure out which one it is. Is it this one? Nope, that's 1080p. That doesn't matter. You might wonder what the purpose of all this is. Well, it's a different story. That's why each channel is different. So this is pertaining to dating, everything that's related to dating and life coaching and things like that, because I do that as well, besides the technology. But everybody has, different backgrounds, so that's what this is. You might, and to explain all this, you really have to get into this to explain all this stuff here. So that's why we say with technology, when we talk about the technology. Back again. Yeah, well, it's this. I just don't know which one's a 4K. I did put some videos up, and it should say 4K. But I don't know where they are. Well, it doesn't matter right now. Oh, you can come here if you have relationship issues and stuff like that, because we do have a channel for every little thing. Now, music, that one I can't really show. Most of that music is protected, so I can't really show that. And this is for those people who, if you can't sleep, you have a problem relaxing, that's what that's for. That's what that stands for. And that one too, that one's still a work in progress. And then if you're into solar, then this is the channel to go. Oh my God, why is Team Chat kick on? I closed it. They need to, I'm gonna get on that Windows Insider and tell them that they need to shut that stuff down. It's stupid to have that running in the background. All right. Well, you see the color is clean, right? Oh my God! Why did the keyboard come up? I know Microsoft should hire me. I'll go there and tell them, listen, you've got a lot of issues with your stuff. Okay, we have. I don't know if the tech will load. I'm gonna have to fix it. There's a game called BrutalMania.io. You should check it out. Only problem with that game, it's Windows based. No, it's not Windows based. Sorry, it's on all platforms. It's a browser based application. I shouldn't really mention it, but I'm not giving them a plug. The only thing is, it's very disappointing. I reached level 40, and if anything happens to the cookies, well, you start all over again to level 1. I gotta do some tweeting. I might have to switch to the other antenna, but I don't think so. I mean, both antennas do this. I don't know what's going on. All right, so we are running. Before I end this video, oh, come on, are you serious? Just to let you show you that we're running Quick CPU. Thank God for this little program, because without this program, this laptop could not run like it's supposed to run. But look at this. According to this, the CPU is 91 Celsius. Oh, rats. It doesn't stay up too long. Let me close this out. Since we don't have a lot of RAM, it's just better just to keep. And Chrome uses a lot of RAM when you have a whole bunch of different tabs open. It's better to close it. So now we're down to 10%, which is better than. Oh God! Again with this team. They need to turn that on. That's stupid. It only comes on with the laptops. Like, I don't see it popping up on the desktop. And there's nowhere to turn off. Okay, so the CPU is ready. It says here the max is 2.79. That's 2.80. And we got the thing at full power. Core 1 is taking 52% of the processing, and Core 2 is taking 47% of the processing. Oh, I had problems with the desktop with this program. It wasn't this program. It was actually the Ethernet USB failed. I contacted the manufacturer. He gave me 2-year warranty for free. Well, he needs to send me another one because it burned out. It ain't working. It's not getting gig speeds. It was taking for like an hour just to download something. Something was wrong. Okay, well that's about it. Okay, so I'll leave it here since that's what we're really talking about. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.